Hey there, Eco Warriors! Welcome back to Dr. Green Geek's Tips and Tricks, where we share simple, sustainable, budget-friendly solutions for everyday living. Today we're tackling laundry with a fun and easy DIY project, homemade dryer balls. Here's what you'll need for this project: 100% wool yarn, about 1 skein per ball. This will run you about $5 to $8 per skein. A pair of pantyhose or some old socks, which you can usually find for $2 to $3 if you don't have any lying around. A good pair of scissors, costing around $2 to $5. And if you like a little scent, optional essential oils, which are about $5 to $10 a bottle. Now, if you want to get creative or use what you have, here are some alternatives. Unravel an old 100% wool sweater you may have in the closet or a dresser drawer. This is a great way to repurpose, and it's free. Wool roving is another option, costing about $10 to $15 for 8 ounces. Or go ahead and try t-shirt yarn for a non-wool alternative, about $5 to $8 per ball. Now, let's get to making these, shall we? Step 1. Begin by winding your wool yarn into a tight ball, about the size of a tennis ball. Make sure to tuck the end in securely. Repeat this process until you have 3 to 6 balls, depending on the size of your dryer. Next, cut the leg off a pair of pantyhose or use an old sock. Place 1 ball inside and tie it off tightly. Keep adding balls, tying between each one to create a chain. Now it's time to felt the wool. Wash the chain in hot water with detergent, then dry on high heat. You'll want to repeat this 2 to 3 times. Once they're felted, cut the balls out of the pantyhose. They should feel firm and a little fuzzy. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. And there you have it, your very own eco-friendly dryer balls. Let's talk about the benefits of this project for the long run. These dryer balls are reusable for up to 1,000 loads, which means less waste from disposable dryer sheets. They help separate clothes, reducing drying time and saving energy, saving you money. Plus, they naturally soften clothes without any harsh chemicals. Now, let's look at the financial impact of these. Cost-wise, making a set of 6 dryer balls costs about $30, depending on the materials you choose. Best of all, they last for years. Compare that to dryer sheets, which cost around $5 to $7 for 120 sheets. Over time, you'll save money and help the planet. Well, now you're all set for eco-friendly laundry help without breaking the bank. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more green living tips. As always, for more information on tips, tricks, and all the latest eco products and honest reviews, head on over to drgreengeek.com. Until next time, keep it green.